Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys another simple yet accurate way to analyze the market using two simple moving averages. Okay, I have the 21 moving average in blue, and I have the 8 moving average in red. When they cross, that would be a trade signal based on the pattern that appears at that time. So we look here at the monthly with our moving averages. We see a wave, okay, followed by a high, low, high, low, high, low, an equal high, higher low, lower high. So with these indicated on our charts, as you see here, we have a cross with a double bottom. Okay, let me kind of indicate that a little better for you guys. And I'm not feeling the best, so bear with me just a little bit. There we have a bottom, and here, double bottom. Retrace, pullbacks, another rejection. Now if we go to a line chart, this is what it looks like. There we have it. And then we have a strong rally to the upside. Okay. Everybody see that clear? Double bottom, strong push up, cross, and then we have support. So that's how you can use in combination three different analysis. We have a double bottom followed by a support line, followed by a cross, followed by W. So that's 3 different confirmations, or 4 different confirmations that this would have been a great buy. Now fast forward to where we're at now, here. We have a high here, and we have a low here. Okay, so what I want you guys to start doing when you guys are indicating these highs and lows, turn your period separators on by using Control Y. Okay? Now for each time frame that you mark your support and your resistance on, each period, I want you guys to start indicating or marking off we're in this week here, we're in this period, this is the previous period. So what I want you guys to start doing on the previous period is indicating high, low, and a midpoint, such as this. If we were on the weekly, we would do the same thing. High, low, and a midpoint. Now looking at this, we see 101 to 121 is the high and low. midpoint at 110. So we've already established that. We can go to the daily. Same thing for this period. We're in this period. So the previous period would be right here. We have a low, a high, and that low to high is 113 and 111. So halfway between that would be 12. Okay, we can round this to 114 even, 112 even. So halfway would be right about here. Now, to a 4 hour and do the same thing. We're in this period. We're gonna mark the previous period. High, low, 113 and 114.5. Halfway between that would be roughly 13.7. So we would mark that out, boom. Now let's go to our candles. And this is what we have. Okay, now we do see that we had a cross here, which is a downtrend. Although we have prices broken above the moving averages, we still do not have a cross. An easy way to think about it is red on top, blue on bottom. Red being the weight, blue being price. So the weight is pushing price down. Here we have weight pushing price up. This is a simple way to think about it. Now that we've marked everything from the monthly to the 4 hour chart, let's go in here to the hour and see what we have. Here on the hour chart, we see that we're right at yesterday's high and we're declining. Okay, we do have an uptrend based on the weight pushing price up, but this here is a level of resistance also to yesterday's high. So let's go ahead to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, we do have an upward push, weight pushing price up, but we also have yesterday's high, and we already know that this level here is a level of resistance. So right now we have price pushing and trying to find a level of resistance. So we don't have a clear signal here on the 15-minute chart. But let's go to the 5-minute. Here, on the 5-minute, we have weight pushing price down on the 5-minute. At the same area that we already know is resistance. Okay, so let's look at the 1-minute chart. Here, we can see weight pushing price down, and we do not have a cross. So this is a good indication we're still in a downward push. Here on the 30-minute chart, we have weight pushing price up, but we know we're at a level of resistance. Up, but we know we're at a level of resistance. Up, but we know we're at a level of resistance. And here on the monthly, we see a down. So on the monthly overall long term, we're going down. We're just retracing on the weekly, daily, hour 4, hour 1, 30, and the 15-minute. Notice that point I just marked off here, this level of resistance, we're getting a good push down. Everybody see that? Good push. All right, now can do here on the monthly. Come in here, and we can clearly see a high, low, and another high. So we can connect these two highs with a trend line. And if we look closely, we see that this month is bouncing off of the trend line now. Look at the weekly, same thing. Daily, level of resistance, push down. Hour. Here's that same trend line being pushed down. 15-minute chart. Same trend line being pushed down. Now, if we want to look at a bottom trend line, we can go here. You see how low and another low? Let's connect those two. So now we have price in a triangle. From here to here, from here to here. So with this, what can we expect? We can expect price to be rejected from this upward trend line and being pushed down towards the lower trend line. Now a breakout would be confirmed at a breach. If price pops up over this trend line and closes, if price pops below this trend line and closes, we're looking at a down trend. Right now we're following trend. So we'll either get a push straight down this way to this zone, or we'll get a push down and a bounce up here. Push down and a bounce up here. And a push down again. Okay, I also want to show you guys. You see how here you see how here we are in an uptrend, then we start moving sideways, but majority of the price is still closing above the moving averages. And then if we get over here, we get a pop up. When price is consolidating on top of the moving averages, like this, expect one more push to the high. Okay, this is just an accumulation of contracts. This is the trap. So when we got consolidation, focus on the previous direction of the swing. We have an upswing, consolidation, final push, trap, drop. We have an uptrend or an upswing, a swing up, consolidation, last push, trap. Notice how this push came and we're right back in the same level it was consolidating. Think of a rubber band just sitting here, pull it out and it snaps right back and sits there again. Okay. Alright guys, that's about all I can break down on this little strategy. As you get familiar with it and you put it in use and practice, you'll start to see a lot more moves. Always, whatever chart or whatever time frame you're analyzing, always wait until the close of the candle for confirmation. going to take a trade on the USD/JPY here. Notice how this level that we marked off is being pushed downwards. Just did a small $5 trade for and I know I did say wait for the current candle, whatever chart you're analyzing, but that was me. I saw something, but I want you guys to really focus on the hour and above. Nothing below the hour chart while you're learning. Hour chart and up. That's the hour, H4, daily, weekly, monthly. Nothing below the hour. So let's go into the hour. Nothing below the hour chart. This here is actually one of my favorite strategies. I learned this from a European group of traders that I learned a little bit from back in 2016. One of my favorite strategies. I kind of strayed away from it for a while, but it's definitely a profitable strategy once you understand and use it correctly. But that's all I got for you guys today. Again, I'm not feeling too well. We'll be back on schedule tonight. Let me get some rest throughout the day, and I should be up to par. Happy trading. And I did post this this USD JPY trade in the group. I believe the entry was here, stop loss was here, and the target was down in this area. Target down in this area. Here we can see a clear win-win. All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy trading. Thank you for watching.